We're at the splash pad. St. Patrick's Day. Mia. Here's Mia. Here's Charlie. Wander. Abby. Abigail. Abby. And their little ponytails. Mia. Where are you going? You go this way. Yay! Show Mimi your swimsuit. Got my belly hanging out. There's Abby. Oh, that water is freezing.
Ran into it.
Who did?
You ran through that. All right, Charlie.
That water is freezing. We may not be here long. That water is so cold. Charlie.
All right, Charlie. All right. Yeah.
Abby. The water?
All right, Charlie. You're running through it.
Go, Mia. Go, Mia. Woo-hoo. Water.
Come here, Charlie. Come here,
Holy
Mia.
cow, that sun better come out. It's way too cold.